Hey guys, and welcome to today's tutorial guide where I'm going to be showing you how to add a contact form to your WordPress website. Now this tutorial guide is quick, easy, and pretty straightforward, and we are going to be using the free WPForms plugin to achieve this task. Now WPForms has a free version and a premium version of this plugin. For this video, we're just going to be using the free version, but in time I will be doing a full tutorial guide on what their premium version offers. Okay, so let's dive right in and get into today's tutorial guide. So the first thing we're going to do is install the WPForms Lite plugin. So this is the free version of the premium plugin, and it has quite a lot of standard fields, which allows you to quickly and easily create a contact form on your WordPress website. We're going to head to plugins here on the left-hand side, and we are going to click Add New. In the search plugins box, we are going to type in WPForms and click Enter. Once we're here, we are going to click on the Install Now button by the contact form by WPForms. It's going to install, and once it has been installed, we are going to click Activate. Okay, so we'll click on Activate. And once you activate this plugin, it comes up with a really nice welcome from WPForms, a video that you can watch, which walks you through the process of creating your first form. It also gives you a nice button here where you can create your own first form, and it shows you all the awesome features and add-ons in the premium plugin. Okay, so we can either create our first form here, or we can come to WPForms here on the left-hand side and click Add New. I'm going to click here. And the first thing we're going to do is name our form. So I'm going to call this our contact form. And then we can select a template. So we can start with a blank form, or there is a simple contact form we can choose from, a newsletter sign-up form, or a suggestion form. And if you do upgrade to the premium version, you do get some additional templates, and you can also unlock some pre-made form templates like a request, quote form, donation form, and you can also collect payments via Stripe and PayPal. So we're going to start with a blank form for this tutorial guide. Okay, so your contact form is made out of standard fields like text, paragraph text, multiple choice, drop-downs, checkboxes, emails, etc. So we are going to be asking our customers for their name, their email address, and a little bit of a message. So we are going to ask them for their name, so we can use this name field. So we click on it. We've got our first name and our last name, and I want to edit this because I only want to be taking their first name. Okay, so we're going to click on this box here and then come to simple, and that's just going to give us our name there. Okay, then we are going to add some more fields by coming back here, and we are going to click on email. And then the last field we're going to add is some paragraph text. So we click on the paragraph text here at the top, and we're pretty happy with how everything looks. The only thing I want to change is from paragraph text, I want that to say your message. And I do want this to be a required field, so I'm going to check this box. Okay, so the next tab we're going to look at is our settings tab. And our settings tab is where we can change the form name, we can change the button text, we can also change the processing text that comes up when you click submit. So I'm going to leave this as is, and we're going to look at the notifications tab. So the notifications tab is what content of the contact form gets sent to whoever you want that to be sent to. So if I am the owner of the website, I will either pop in this email address here or the admin email address of my WordPress website. And then it's going to come up as email subject in my inbox, and all the fields are going to come up here. If you only want specific ones, then you can pop in those there. The next tab we're going to look at is confirmations. So when I click submit, what is my customer going to see? They're going to see a message that says, thanks for contacting us. We'll be in touch shortly. Otherwise, you can change this to go to a specific page or to go to a URL. It's always nice to actually create a page, like a thank you page, and then direct them to that specific page. Okay, if you upgrade to Premium, you can look at connecting it with MailChimp and also things like PayPal and Stripe. So once you have finished creating your contact form, you'll click Save. And then what we are going to do is we're going to embed that onto a page on our website. So we are going to click the Embedded button here, and we can either create a new page or select an existing page, or we can manually do this with a piece of shortcode. So I'm going to show you how to do it with shortcode and then also in the blocks editor, the Gutenberg blocks editor. So we click on this use shortcode. We're going to copy this. I'm going to head to my contact page, which I created earlier. I'm going to click on edit. Then I am going to paste in my shortcode here. And I am going to click preview. And there is my contact form. So another way you can do it is you can click on the plus icon. You can click on WPForms and you can select the form that you want. And then we can preview in another tab and you'll see that contact form pop up as well. Now what you can see is the name is quite short and the email is quite short. So let's go back to WPForms and I'll show you how you amend that. So it is the full width. So we come back to WPForms on our dashboard. We click on our contact form here. We click on name. We look at the advanced options and the field size we are going to make large. And we are going to do the same. There we go with the email. We're going to click save. And let's just update this and view this page. And there we go. Okay, so that is the process of using the free WPForms plugin to create a contact form on your WordPress website.